Viewers, Yogi Adityanath is tearing apart the blatant appeasement that's poisoning our politics. He has taken on the ecosystem that's driven by cheap votes opposing a national song Vande Mataram. Yogi Adityanath has said those who block Vande Mataram are guilty of treason. He calls it a betrayal of India's soul. And then there's the shameful praise for Tipu Sultan. You're aware, a mass murderer, a bigot who slaughtered innocents in name of religion. But this Tipu lobby lauds him as a hero. Yogi Adityanath has bulldozed their narrative. He has exposed how Congress, Samajwadi Party and Owaisi are playing the appeasement game to divide. Listen to what he said.
अखिलेश यादव जी कहते हैं कि आपके अनरजिस्टर्ड संघी साथी ना उन्होंने आजादी से पहले कभी वंदे मातरम गाया, ना आज वंदे मातरम गाते हैं। तो इशारा क्या कर रहे हैं?
वंदे मातरम यानी राष्ट्रगीत का, राष्ट्रगान का और भारत के आन बान और शान के प्रतीक तिरंगा का अपमान, यह राष्ट्रद्रोह है और इस राष्ट्रद्रोह को वर्तमान भारत स्वीकार नहीं कर सकता है।
कुछ लोग इस देश में ऐसे हैं जो अब अपने ऑफिसेज में, मेयर के ऑफिस में टीपू की फोटो लगाना चाहते हैं। कहते हैं शिवाजी महाराज जैसे लड़े थे वैसे ही टीपू लड़ा था इस देश के लिए।
छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज से किसी ऐसे आक्रांता की तुलना नहीं की जा सकती है जिसने भारत की आत्मा पर और भारत की आस्था पर चोट किया हो। टीपू सुल्तान किसी भी स्थिति में भारतीय समाज स्वीकार नहीं कर सकता है।
Tala Rashadi joining the panel. Tala Rashadi, I'll come to you. Let me start with Vivek Srivastava. Vivek Srivastava ji, was Tipu Sultan a hero?
Yes. नहीं. Yes, indeed a hero. He fought the British. शेर था, लड़ा मुल्क के लिए, बिल्कुल हीरो था। हम शिवाजी को भी हीरो मानते हैं, लेकिन ये सरकार कह रही है अगर कोई हिंदू बड़ा राजा था, वीर था, तो हम उसकी वीरता को मानेंगे, कोई मुसलमान होगा तो हम नहीं मानेंगे। यू आर ट्राइंग टू डिवाइड इट ऑन द रिलीजियस ग्राउंड्स। महात्मा गांधी ने कहा था, सुभाष चंद्र बोस थे, रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर थे, कहा था 4 स्टैंजास ऑफ वंदे मातरम शुड बी मूव्ड ऑफ, एंड दे वर ऑल प्रैक्टिसिंग हिंदूज because it doesn't symbolize the secularism of the spirit and the idea of India. तो क्या वो देशद्रोही उनको बोला जाएगा आज?
विवेक श्रीवास्तव जी, महात्मा गांधी, महात्मा गांधी, एक मिनट विवेक श्रीवास्तव जी, बार बार आप डिबेट पे बोलते हैं महात्मा गांधी said this, said that. महात्मा गांधी said other things also. Has the Congress followed? You don't get me started on that. One minute. और आपने कहा कि हम छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज को हीरो मानते हैं. You're not doing him a favor. ये क्या है अश्विनी जी?
Ji, Pranesh, you tell me this. Other kings who conquered other kingdom within the country, सबने क्या अश्वमेध घोड़ा छोड़ा था या लड़ाइयां लड़ी थी? I hope लड़ाइयां लड़ी थी, चाहे चोलाज हो, चाहे जो भी राजा रहे हो. That means kings fought with other kings from the India itself and लोगों को मारा है. So let's not divide this country or its kings valor based on their religion. I am not getting into that debate.
No, you have to. I will tell you. If you let's try and get into that debate. By the way, I am sure Vivek Srivastava ji is aware. Ashwini ji, अफगानिस्तान के राजा को बुला के बोला था इन्वेड कर लो हमारे देश में. ये बिकॉज विवेक श्रीवास्तव ने उनको हीरो बोल दिया, तो मैं आपको बस एक कह रहा हूं. और आप जो बोल रहे हैं कि ये वॉर्स वर फॉट, ऑफ कोर्स दैट्स अ रियलिटी. But women were not raped. He used it as a tool. You either convert or you will be raped. Not just Hindus, even Christians were tortured. Churches were broken. Dr. Ranganathan.
Pranesh, the issue is not of remembering Tipu Sultan. No. The issue is of eulogizing him, celebrating him. A man who destroyed hundreds of temples, converted lakhs of Hindus and Christians, asserted annihilation of the infidel was his sacred duty. I ask you, is there a Hitler wrote in Tel Aviv? Truth be told, seldom has a barbarian being lionized so brazenly as Tipu has by our historians. Read his own manifesto. written in his own words. It is a terrifying proclamation calling for, quote, all Muslims to come together to wage jihad. Annihilation of the infidels is a sacred duty, he writes. The Hindus of Coorg suffered a particularly brutal onslaught. Murders, tortures, forced conversions, even dead Hindus were converted, Pranesh, even dead Hindus. Tipu destroyed more than 800 temples, 27 churches, captured 60,000 Christians, converted 30,000, killed thousands. 112 chronicles of Louis Rice and R.D. Paloskar believe the figure could be as high as 8,000 temples. Descendants of Mandya Iyengar do not celebrate Diwali till this day. Ever wondered why? Tipu butchered them on that day. Read Bartholomeo's personal account of Tipu Sultan's butchery in Calicut. Men, women, children were paraded naked and trampled by elephants. And yet we call Tipu a symbol of communal harmony. Just 30 seconds. We cheer when the statue of the evil racist King Leopold is demolished in Belgium. But we celebrate Tipu Jayanti because tyrants who murder Hindus are not tyrants but heroes. Praising Tipu is like praising King Leopold for building roads and ports in Congo, balancing out ivory and rubber trade and a million murders. There is no difference between Tipu Sultan apologists and Holocaust deniers. And yet they exist in their millions. In years to come, I am sure Yaqub Memnon's grave would also become as popular as worshipping places Tipu's is today, visited and prayed by
Look at Vivek Srivastava. Vivek Srivastava is laughing. You know, I don't even know what to say. Shehzad?
No, there are two aspects to this. First of all, there is an entire ecosystem which celebrates at Babri Zindabad, which says that Muslim reservation should be there, which says that Muslims should have the first right of resources. That is secular, but Vande Mataram is communal. Today, what has B.K. Hariprasad, Congress stalwart leader, said? That Vande Mataram is a Bengali song. Why does it need to be sung in any other part of the country? Then he says that we will oppose Vande Mataram because it is provocative and communal. So I want to ask the question that was Mahatma Gandhi promoting communal national song? Did the Constituent Assembly adopt a communal national song? Point number two, Nehruji under pressure of Jinnah cut the Vande Mataram into two parts. Today also people like Imran Masood and Arif Masood are opposing Vande Mataram. Abu Azmi says I will not say Vande Mataram. And then they eulogize Tipu Sultan who was no less than Tipu Shaitan or Osama bin Laden. Then you compare it with Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So comparing Tipu Sultan who killed, by the way, Mr. Vivek, he killed Keralites. He killed people from Malabar. He killed Nayars.
No. Let me tell you what he's written about people from Malabar. This is his own letter. He's written to Burdu Zaman. Listen to this, Vivek Srivastava ji. The date is 19th January 1790, 1790. And I'm quoting what Tipu Sultan wrote. Don't you know I have achieved a great victory recently in Malabar and over 4 lakh Hindus were converted to Islam. Unquote. Tipu in his own words. And you said, yes, he is a hero. Tala Rashadi?
Yes, Tipu is a hero. Tipu is a hero for Indians, for each and every Indian, because he fought 4 wars against Britishers. He never, did any treaty with them. He was not on their payroll. He was never a Mafi Veer. And he died on the battlefield in 1799. He gave new coinage system to India. Someone was talking about Afghanistan, and he did a treaty alliance with Afghanistan, Napoleon Bonaparte, Ottoman Empire to Britishers from India. Then he had state-run industries, new coinage system, land revenue reforms, irrigation projects, promoted trade with foreign, and last but not the least, he gave grants to temples like Sringeri, Sharda Peetham, Melkot, Cheluvarana temple, and many other temples. So everything has two faces, negative and positive. There might have been some instances when he might have been very cruel or something like that. But yeah, as I said, but if you go through, he was the person who gave rocket technology to the whole world.
Rocket technology, you keep that rocket technology. No, 1 minute. You keep that rocket technology and, let's just keep it to rocket technology for the moment. Let me read his letter to you. 1 minute, sir, 1 minute. 1 minute, सुन तो लीजिए सर. ताला भाई सुन तो लीजिए. ये might और जो might, should और may जो doubts है मैं आपको वो remove कर रहा हूं. मैं फिर से पढ़ देता हूं. Almost all Hindus in Calicut are now converted to Islam. Only a few are still not converted on the borders of Konchi state. I am determined to convert them also very soon. I consider this as jihad to achieve this object. ये उनके शब्द हैं. इसमें कोई माइट नहीं है डॉक्टर रंगनाथन.
नहीं देखिए ताला जी भी हमारी तरह इनके एंसेस्टर्स भी हिंदू थे. अब वो कन्वर्ट हो गए, अब तालाजी इज ट्राइंग टू बी मोर कैथोलिक देन द पोप। मैं इनसे सीधी पूछना चाहता हूं, बाय हिज लॉजिक ही वुड इवन रिस्पेक्ट हिटलर, because Hitler was did good for the Germany's economy. He was a good watercolor artist. It's another matter that he killed 6 million Jews. What is this butt business? और आपसे मैं पूछना चाहता हूं, क्या आप मेरी रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे तालाजी अगर मैं कहूं कि annihilation of all Muslims is my sacred duty and I will convert, घर वापसी मैं dead Muslims की भी करूंगा? Will you respect me? Say yes or no if you have the guts.
Allow me to respond. सर, अशोका के बारे में क्या विचार है आपके? डू यू प्रेज अशोका? अशोका के बारे में क्या विचार है? द ग्रेट अशोका। अरे सर, अलाउ मी टू रिस्पॉन्ड सर।
बोलिए
अशोका के बारे में क्या विचार है? आप उन्हें प्रेज करते हैं? द ग्रेट अशोका, आज हर जगह अशोका का इस्तेमाल होता है। वी शो हिम एज अ हीरो। व्हाट वाज हिज पास्ट? व्हाट डज द हिस्ट्री से अबाउट हिम? डू यू प्रेज अशोका? Or would you talk about the past?
Tala Rasadi, now you're questioning Jawaharlal Nehru. We had great respect for Ashoka. उन्होंने एम्ब्लेम में लगा दिया था अशोक चक्र, वो है, but that's not my Tala Rasadi जी। 8 मिनट सुनिए, 8 मिनट। If I were you, मैं तो बोलता कि उस हिसाब से तो संविधान में भी टीपू सुल्तान की तस्वीर है, बट संविधान में बहुत कुछ है, वो उस समय का डिस्टॉर्शन है जिसको हमें चेंज करना है। But if you start saying might, everybody has, two shades. By this logic, sir, 8 minutes. Everybody, you agree with that? Everybody has 2 shades?
Exactly.
अच्छा बुरा सब होता है?
Not my hero. हाँ, सबके 2 फेसेस होते हैं, हर तरह की नेगेटिविटीज होती है, पॉजिटिविटीज होती हैं।
चलिए, ओसामा बिन लादेन में अच्छा क्या था?
सर, ये पूछे जो ओसामा के फॉलोअर्स थे।
तो आप क्या टीपू के फॉलोअर हैं क्या? आप टीपू के फॉलोअर हैं?
Who was the Indian freedom fighter?
No, 1 minute. No, so औरंगजेब को भी डिफेंड करते हैं ना आप? Are you a follower of औरंगजेब?
Aurangzeb was an essential part of the Indian history.
Essential part. Indian ruler, essential part. Okay. तो सर तो फिर ब्रिटिश से क्या प्रॉब्लम है? वो भी, उनको भी रूलर बोल दीजिए, बोल दीजिए।
Everyone who knows about history, who has learned history in the primary schools knows about it.
Now I have two questions. First of all, Pranesh, this debate is getting very personal. कुछ नेताओं का घर का नाम टीपू है। आप जानते हो ना किसकी बात कर रहा हूं? छोड़ दीजिए, आईपी सिंह जी अब सवाल बदल देंगे। दूसरी बात, अगर औरंगजेब इज एसेंशियल पार्ट ऑफ इंडियन हिस्ट्री, वंदे मातरम इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ इंडियन हिस्ट्री, बट गर्दन पे छुरी रख दो, मैं वंदे मातरम नहीं बोलूंगा। कांग्रेस लीडर्स एंड समाजवादी पार्टी से क्यों भाई? अब वो उसका जवाब दे दो। आईपी सिंह जी अबू आजमी बोलते हैं कि मैं नहीं बोलूंगा वंदे मातरम। ये तो एसेंशियल पार्ट ऑफ हिस्ट्री है, बताइए।
ताला रशादी
जी, देखिए, सबसे पहले तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने खुद क्लियरली एमैनुअल बिजॉय केस में कहा था कि यू कैन नॉट फोर्स नॉट ओनली वंदे मातरम बट जन गण मन भी, बिकॉज द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आर्टिकल 25 आर्टिकल 19
सीधा सवाल है, उसको भी आप उसका भी जवाब नहीं देंगे। बट व्यूअर्स, वी हैव रन आउट ऑफ टाइम, बट द टेक अवे फ्रॉम द शो is what Vivek Srivastava has said about karate and fitness. If you want to do well in politics or in your Vivek Srivastava, I'm quoting you. If you want to join the Congress party, you must know Aikido, karate, something else. I don't know. I'm leaving it to your wisdom and judgment. Thank you for joining us. The News Hour special edition coming up. Yogi Adityanath in conversation with Navita Kumar.